Hi teacher and classmates of Curriculum Education. My name is Luis Alberto Jesus de Villalora. I am 26 years old. I study at UNAD. I start with my presentation and explain my mind map about the task force. I start, okay? I choose Columbia Education because it's calling my course. And later I choose 5 aspects. The first aspect is story, resource, acquire strength, develop education, and skill. In the theory, in the words, knowledge, content, discourse, learning. And next topic is resource. This word with conference, individual and group tasks, feedbacks, exit strategy and methodology. Later, acquire strength, teaching ability, leadership in language skill, and innovation activities. Fourth aspect is bilingual education, politics, language, native and foreign experience, cultural interaction, and global communication. And skill, passionate to the foreign language, bilingual education learner, reading comprehension, and proper investigation. Thank you so much for listening my explain. It's very important with the learn constantly with the document file. I watch video, photos about the information. I need constantly is necessary teach correctly and my student, and then I reading very documents and books. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Blessings.